Today we are going to talk about a very interesting service called DistroSea. If you have ever been curious about Linux distributions, but didn't want to go through the whole process of downloading ISO files, creating a bootable USB drive, or installing a new operating system on your computer, DistroSea offers a surprisingly simple solution. DistroSea is a web service that allows you to run and explore many different Linux distributions directly inside your web browser. In practice, this means that you can visit the site, choose a distribution you want to try, click a start button, and within a few seconds you are presented with fully functional Linux desktop environment running inside of web browser. Behind the scene, the way this works is actually quite clever. The Linux system is not running on your computer at all. Instead, DistroSea launches a virtual machine on its own servers. Each time a user starts a session, the server spins up a temporary environment with the selected Linux distribution already installed. The graphical desktop from the virtual machine is then streamed to your browser using remote desktop technologies such as VNC and HTML5 based web clients. From your perspective, it feels like you are interacting with a real system locally, even though everything is happening on a remote server. One of the biggest advantages of DistroSea is how quickly it allows you to explore the Linux ecosystem. There are hundreds of distributions and versions available, ranging from beginner-friendly system to more advanced and experimental ones. Instead of spending time installing each one, you can simply launch them instantly and see how their desktop environment, software selection, and overall design look and feel. This makes DistroSea especially useful for newcomers who want to learn about Linux, as well as enthusiasts who enjoy testing different distributions. It's also a convenient tool for demonstration, tutorials, or quick previews of system before committing to a full installation. And of course, there are few limitations. Since everything runs on remote servers, performance may not match a native installation. Hardware acceleration is usually unavailable, and sessions are temporary, meaning that any changes or files you create disappear once the session ends. Even with those limitations, DistroSea is a very practical and accessible way to explore and diverse world of Linux without installing anything at all.